Hello everyone. We are here at NIT Surat's in-out hackathon. It's a student-run hackathon, and we've got multiple companies here opening up their APIs to the students and sponsoring the event as well. Here we have Nikhil from Exotel. So Nikhil, yeah, if you can tell us about yourself and what does Exotel do?
Hi, my name is Nikhil. I work as the chief evangelist at Exotel. Exotel is a cloud telephony platform. We offer call and SMS REST APIs to enterprises to build applications. A simple example that we help companies like Ola is whenever you book a cab, your number is not shown to the driver. So we help companies to protect customers' privacy by not showing the telephone number to the other person. So today we are here in the hackathon where we expect developers to use our SMS and call APIs and build apps on it.
And what are your initial views on the hackathon till now? How has the participation been?
So this is the second in-out edition we're participating. As usual, it's high energy, huge. It's great support. There are very good developers. We are super excited. So almost 50 to 60% of the teams are using Exotel APIs. So we look forward for a long night today.
Okay. And you've been attending multiple hackathons, I believe, with Exotel. And what do you think is the general state of the ecosystem, the developer community in India?
So I think from our experience, the dev community in India is still nascent. It's also because a lot of API or platform companies themselves look at hackathons in a wrong way. Many people think hackathon is the right way or the only way to hire and so on. So I think the ecosystem at large has to mature in India, and hackathons like In-Out is one of those hackathons which we feel is being done by the spirit of the way it's being done in the valley and so on. So we would like to participate in more such hackathons.
And do you think hackathons should be like problem driven, or like many of the hackathons also turn out like we create problems and then we devise solutions for them? Do you see that happening, or do you see some real valuable stuff also happening? What are your thoughts?
So typically, this is one of the challenges that companies face. Is how do you define or derive ROI out of a hackathon, right? For the efforts and that you put into it. So I think there can be two types of hackathons that companies should focus on. One is to solve customer problems that their customers have, which means these are solid real problems, and you have some excellent smart kids trying to solve these problems. And the other one is also to open up the possibilities, right? So the beauty of platform companies or APIs is we really do not know what the API is going to be used for. So looking for that next big use case and allowing the developers to think through this and build on their own is something very exciting, and I think that's the spirit of a hackathon.
Okay. And developers, as in, where do they, if you look at the Indian scenario, where do they learn? Do the kids in colleges, do they learn in the classrooms or online, or where do you think all the learning is happening?
I think classrooms for APIs is totally, I don't think we're there yet. But I think a lot of motivation for students comes from such hackathons and such events, right? There's a team which could come and participate and go talk about this to another team. So I think there is more peer learning, offline and online, that happens for developers. And I think most developers like to hang out more online. So that's why there has to be focus upon, in terms of what kind of documentation and stuff that we build for developers. And it's very important for any platform company.
And coming back to Exotel, if you share the bigger picture, like what are you guys building and where do you see the future of communication?
So telco communication for a long time has not been disrupted in India, right? We've all been always knowing the telcos as something that you go by and then you're done as a relationship with them. So our plan is to bring new modes of communication to customers, which would also mean what do we do in the future? Can we power IoT devices and so on? So we look to work on bringing some cutting edge technology to normal users, especially enterprises who've been deprived of this.
Okay. And like telcos and telephony companies, it sounds very technical. So what do you guys do to kind of not evangelize but like make it more consumable for wider audience, or is it even a need? Or
Sure. So the telcos are realizing today that so telcos is nothing but telecom companies like
Yeah.
Airtel, Reliance, and Vodafone. So they realize. So if you look at the way a telco works, they're actually like a master vendor, right? So they procure services from various different people. So one of them is the government, from whom they take spectrum. Then there are large companies from whom they buy towers and network infrastructure and so on. So telcos also require technology partners in order to bring new technologies. So that's the role that we are playing. So we are very complementary. So we take the infrastructure from these telcos, and we have a technology layer on top of it, so which we offer as an intelligent platform, as an API. So simply put, we like to make fun of this. So we take unreliable infrastructure from the telcos, and we offer a reliable platform to our companies.
what do you feel your experience is like? How have they been across hackathons, and is anything different here at Inout?
So I think something which we always loved about Inout is the quality of developers, or that focus to ensure that this the spirit of hackathon is first and everything next. So this focus on having quality devs is something that we really liked, and that's why we look forward for the next year's edition as well. In other cities, hackathons are usually done typically to solve somebody's KPI's problem, or some company's some service problem. So allowing people to come and build out of true spirit is something that we see. That's why we love Inout.
Okay, do you have any message for the viewers over here?
I think to all the students who are in college, go out, participate at such hackathons. We all missed being part of such a revolution back when we were in college. It's a very exciting world out there. Go explore. Everything is on the internet. Look up, learn, and build cool stuff. Thank you.
All right, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jubin.